pretty Monte Carlo. A little get together in Columbia, South Carolina. Nice wheel tire combo.
Yeah, you get those at Charlotte Motor Speedway.
Okay, all right. And I like that center console too.
It's all factory.
Yep.
The whole interior is original.
Oh wow, nice. Very much like my Bel Air.
It's actually exactly the same as the 70, 71, 72 Chevelle.
Yep. Yep.
Back trunk lid fits the Chevelle.
Oh really? I did not know that. Now what year is this?
72.
I had a 72. Mine was a 402 big block car.
It's a 350 four-wheel.
Okay.
But obviously, it's one of the cars that a guy went there and just started picking through the book because it's got factory tack, factory gauges, got 12-bolt rear end in it.
Wow. Okay. Mind if I take a video of the inside too? Look at that. Everybody loves that center console on these. That's one of the big questions they were asking me when I was selling mine. Does it have the center console? Was it originally center console?
It's just a lot more fun than the center console.
Yes. Pretty car.
I don't even have to look